you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for the question. The Higher Education Commission, as part of its current operation, monitors higher education institutions on the specific functions as highlighted in the Higher Education Commission Act. They play a regulatory function. Mr. Speaker, sir, in relation to the question, the detailed monitoring of teaching hours for every educator and every course offered across all higher education institutions falls within the internal academic policy of the institution, and it's externally monitored by the Commission. To attempt such an exercise would require the Higher Education Commission to verify the individual working hours of all academic staff and reconcile governance, institutional timesheets and records. This would not only be a highly resource-intensive exercise, cumbersome process, but would also present significant reliability challenges. And it would, in effect, place the Commission in a position where it must depend on institutional records that could be inconsistent or unreliable, as this will be a situation that is neither practical nor desirable as a regulator. The Commission's role, Mr. Speaker, sir, is to uphold and monitor quality assurance standards at systematic level. And this includes ensuring that approved programs are delivered in accordance with the accredited curriculum standards, and institutions employ qualified staff, and that effective internal monitoring mechanisms are in place to ensure compliance with their own academic requirements, including teaching hours. Mr. Speaker, sir, should there be any reported or verified breaches of these obligations that are reported or brought to our attention, the Higher Education Commission Fiji has the authority to investigate and take appropriate action under its regulatory framework. Mr. Speaker, sir, the responsibility of ensuring the prescribed teaching hours are met lies primarily with the institution themselves under the oversight of their internal quality assurance and governance systems and the governance structures.